Hi guys. So after almost 7.5 months of building BYOB full time, my team's convinced me to come in front of the camera. And what better platform to start out than YouTube? So we're going to keep it very small for the initial couple of videos, and we're going to keep it basic because that's our approach at BYOB always. So let us start with the very first service we always offer to people. It's resume designing. I think there are about a billion searches online and free tools available which can help you design a resume. But I think 99% of our clientele still doesn't know what a resume should look like. All right, and that's where we come in. So let me just give you a brief anatomy of a resume. A resume is the first thing anyone who's looking to hire you will look at. All right. So think of it whenever you're meeting someone or you're also hiring. Do you want to go through a 3-page document? Do you want to read about everything they've done in their career on a document? No, right? So that's how you need to design. A resume needs to be one page. It does not matter if you have 20 years of experience. Trust me, it doesn't. If you have 20 years of experience, save all the experiences for the interview. Keep it one page, keep it simple, avoid the colorful templates available there, avoid putting your picture on it, avoid all kinds of jargon, etc., which only you understand. Make it simple, structured, one page. Each experience is categorized in different sections. So if you have a work experience section, it only talks about your work experience. If you're a fresher, your first time to the job market, include an internship experience. Keep the bullets to the point, and if you are legit looking for your first ever internship also, add some volunteer experience. Along with this, there's a brief structure around the skills section also. That's really important because people like to look at what do you offer and what kind of specializations you have. So ensure those are also categorized. So in this video, I'm just going to keep it simple to clarify that you do not need to go overboard with your resume. A resume is only a part of your candidature and it's not just the only thing. Then comes your interview, then comes your case studies, then comes your multiple rounds of interviews, etc. So put an effort over there. But when it comes to your resume, keep it short, to the point, use action verbs, use quantifiable informations. That's how it works. And if you like the video, subscribe, follow us, and then we can take it forward from there.